What's up, guys? Today's video is on the top 5 gaming headphones in 2024. Through extensive research and testing, I've put together a list of options that will meet the needs of different types of buyers. So whether it's price, performance, or its particular use, we've got you covered. For more information on the products, I've included links in the description box down below, which are updated for the best prices. Like the video, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Having the right wireless gaming headphones can completely change how you feel when putting on headphones. In this video, I'm breaking down the top 5 best wireless headphones, so you'll never have to suffer through bad audio quality or uncomfortable headphones again. Now, let's get started. First, let's know what features a gaming headphone must have. A good quality gaming headphone must have a good brand. Comfortable is very important, have microphone support, wireless support, durability and longevity, compatibility, surround sound technology. Important battery life for wireless headphones, customization, and features, noise cancelling. Basically these are the main points. Keeping these in mind, first on my list is the Number 1, Logitech G Pro X2 wireless gaming headset is my choice for the best noise-canceling wireless headphones. Pro X2 Lightspeed wireless gaming headset used to be designed in collaboration with the world's exceptional players and made reachable for all. Take your sport to the subsequent stage with established pro-grade tech, lighter weight, and accelerated comfort. Award-winning pro design, designed with the world's first-class seasoned gamers to do away with any boundaries between you and the win. 50mm graphene drivers. A pure graphene diaphragm produces increased sensitivity, more advantageous frequency response, decreased distortion, and smaller, louder speakers, permitting you to hear the whole soundscape of the game. Logitech Lightspeed wireless technology. Play with the freedom of pro-grade Wi-Fi for up to 50 hours of use on a single cost and a connection variety of up to 30 m. Comfortable design, lighter weight and supreme comfort, with a rotating long-lasting hinge and rotating swappable headphone earbuds in leatherette and velour. Multiple connection options, Lightspeed wireless, Bluetooth, and 3.5mm audio cable wired connection preferences enable gamers to put together for any situation. Clear communication, eliminate pops and hisses to speak with readability and self-belief with the 6mm cardioid microphone on a removable growth arm that has superior Blue VO/CE technological know-how. DTS Headphone X2 surround sound speakers. Hear your opponents earlier than they locate you with precision encompassing sound and a deeply immersive soundscape. Durable construction. The Pro gaming headset is designed with an aluminum and metal body for the ideal stability of alleviation and strength. Requires Windows PC and Logitech G Hub software. May fluctuate primarily based on person and computing conditions. You will get number 1 in this headphone. Clear audio. 50mm graphene drivers provide clear and immersive audio with low distortion, capturing the entire soundscape of the game with audio cues like footsteps and actions. Comfortable. These noise-isolating headphones have a rotating durable hinge and rotating soft memory foam earbuds, available in leatherette or breathable velour. Long battery life and range, equipped with pro-grade Logitech Lightspeed wireless technology, with up to 50 hours of battery life and up to 30 m of 2.4 GHz wireless range. Connectivity, Lightspeed wireless, Bluetooth, and 3.5mm AUX cord for connectivity options, USB-A to USB-C cable, USB-A dongle with 3.5mm port, 3.5mm audio cable included. Clear communication, 6mm detachable cardioid microphone boom with Blue VO/CE technology allows you to communicate with clarity and confidence for clear in-game comms. Surround sound, DTS Headphone X2.07.1 surround sound for greater positional and distance awareness of in-game objects. Product number 2, next on my list is the PlayStation Pulse Elite wireless headset. Magnificent reasonable sound in your favorite video games with the Pulse Elite Wi-Fi headset. Discover a new technology of gaming audio as studio-inspired planar magnetic drivers reproduce soundscapes with ultra-low distortion to supply prosperous important points and allow you to hear precisely what the recreation builders intended. Feel the motion with clear deep bass, and increase your appreciation with extra particular positioning of audio cues in 3D audio-supported PS5 games. Never leave out a beat as new ultra-low latency and lossless PlayStation Link Wi-Fi technological know-how provides sound at a lightning-fast pace except dropping a single audible element in the process. Easily join and swap between PlayStation Link well-matched devices, such as your PS5 console, PC, Mac, and PlayStation Portal far-off player. Connect your headset to a cellular machine by using Bluetooth whilst nevertheless linked to a PlayStation Link machine to take calls and experience songs as you play uninterrupted. Let pals hear your voice loud and clear through a retractable mic geared up with AI-enhanced noise rejection technology. Whilst easy access quantity and mic controls let you preserve your eyes on the game. Stay and play with a long-lasting battery life of up to 30 hours, quick charging functionality, and an associate charging hanger to show your headset as it powers up for your subsequent epic session. You will get number 1 in this headphone. Box contents: Pulse Elite wireless headset, PlayStation Link USB adapter, Pulse Elite charging hanger, mounting plate, USB cable, printed materials. Next generation gaming audio. Experience extraordinary lifelike sound in your favorite games. Multi-device connectivity. Go where the adventure takes you with the ability to wirelessly connect to a range of devices. Command and control. Lead your squad to victory with crystal clear voice capture and easy access controls. Always be ready for great play. Enjoy epic gaming sessions with up to 30 hours of battery life and quick charging. Product number 3, next on my list, is the Razer Kyra Xwi wired gaming headset for PlayStation 5, PS5, PS4, PC, and Mac. The Razer Kyra Xwi wired gaming headset for PlayStation 5 is a high-performance audio accent designed to decorate the gaming journey on the famous gaming console. This headset is developed by way of Razer, a widespread company in the gaming enterprise famous for its fantastic gaming peripherals. Key points of the Razer Kyra X consist of its compatibility with the PlayStation 5, supplying a seamless and immersive audio journey tailor-made for the gaming environment. The wired connection ensures a dependable and low-latency connection, imperative for aggressive gaming. The play's split-second reactions can make a widespread difference. The headset is equipped with 50mm drivers for effective and clear sound, reproducing the nuances of gaming sounds from footsteps to explosions. Immersive audio greatly improves spatial awareness, allowing players to accurately determine the path of sound in-game. This is especially suitable for video games that rely on positional audio cues to gain a strategic advantage. Comfort is key with the Razer Kyra. The headset is also equipped with a flexible cardioid microphone that is detachable for your convenience. The microphone is designed to clearly capture voice exchanges while minimizing background noise, allowing for positive in-game communication. The headset's on-ear controls provide quick and easy access to volume settings, microphone mute, and other built-in features without interrupting your gaming experience. What's more, the Razer Kyra X has a sleek, modern design that complements the aesthetics of your PlayStation 5. In summary, the Razer Kyra wired gaming, whether you're playing in extreme multiplayer battles or taking part in an immersive single-player experience. This headset's goal is to deliver basic gaming audio. You will get number 1 in this headphone. Triforce 50mm drivers features cutting-edge drivers that can tune highs, mids, and lows separately, producing brighter, clearer sound with richer trebles and more powerful bass. Razer Hyperclear cardioid mic, always be heard loud and clear with the bendable mic that has been fine-tuned to suppress background noise from the back and sides for greater voice isolation. Flow-knit memory foam cushions. Its breathable weave minimizes sweat and heat buildup, while the ultra-soft foam's improved density greatly reduces the headset's clamping force for snug support during gaming marathons. Cross-platform compatibility. Aside from its primary use on PlayStation 5, the headset's 3.5mm jack allows it to work with other popular platforms, PC, Mac and mobile devices, so you can enjoy amazing gaming audio across different setups. Mic mute button, located underneath its left ear cup, allowing you to toggle the mic easily. Volume slider, its on-headset control makes it convenient for you to adjust audio levels without having to fiddle with any system or program settings officially licensed by PlayStation. Product number 4, next on my list is the Astro Gaming A50 wireless headset plus base station Gen 4. Experience the legendary overall performance and sound of Astro Audio V2 with the comfort and freedom that come barring wires. The A50 wireless plus base station for PlayStation 4 PC promises top-of-the-line acoustics, ergonomics, comfort, and sturdiness that game enthusiasts demand. The all-new base station gives clear, low-latency voice conversation whilst making headset pairing and charging simple. The Astro Command Center software program lets game enthusiasts and streamers tune each and every input and output parameter of the A50 exactly for their precise setup. For even greater flexibility, the non-obligatory A50 mod kit permits customers to add artificial leather-based headbands and ear cushions for elevated noise isolation. Experience absolute audio immersion with the A50 wireless plus base station. You will get number 1 in this headphone. Astro Audio V2, immersive audio and the sound journey that gives you dialogue, track, and sports sound clearly. Dolby Audio. Dolby Audio provides a cinematic, excessive decision gaming audio experience. Battery life, 15+ hour rechargeable lithium-ion battery. Game, voice balance, gives the consumer whole manage over the combination of the recreation and chat audio. Astro Command Core Software. The free Astro Command Middle software program offers gamers whole manage over their audio experience, which consists of voice verbal exchange and recreation audio settings. Available on home Windows 10, Xbox One, and Mac. USB sound card functionality. When using a PC, USB sound card performance gives a game, voice balance, sport, and voice streaming. No optical cables are needed. Mod kit ready. For even extra customization, the non-compulsory A50 mod kit permits customers to add an artificial leather-based scarf and ear cushions for elevated noise isolation. It is only well matched with the A50 Wi-Fi headset Gen 4. Product number 5, last on my list is the SteelSeries Arctis Nova Pro wireless multi-system gaming headset. The SteelSeries Arctis Nova Pro wireless multi-system gaming headset is a premium gaming accessory designed to provide an immersive audio experience across various gaming platforms. Featuring advanced wireless technology, the Arctis Nova Pro offers gamers the freedom to move without being tethered by cables, enhancing comfort and convenience during extended gaming sessions. One of the standout features of the Arctis Nova Pro is its versatility. Compatible with multiple gaming systems including PC, PlayStation, Xbox, and Nintendo Switch, it ensures that users can seamlessly transition between platforms without needing different headsets. This flexibility is particularly appealing to gamers who engage across different gaming ecosystems. The headset boasts high-fidelity audio, delivering crisp, clear sound to enhance gameplay immersion. Whether it's the subtle footsteps of an approaching enemy or the thunderous explosions of a chaotic battlefield, the Arctis Nova Pro aims to provide a rich audio landscape that enhances the gaming experience. Comfort is another key focus of the Arctis Nova Pro's design. With a lightweight and ergonomic build, along with breathable ear cushions, users can enjoy extended gaming sessions without discomfort or fatigue. The adjustable headband ensures a customizable fit for various head sizes, further enhancing comfort during prolonged use. Additionally, the headset features a retractable clearcast microphone, engineered to deliver studio-quality voice clarity. This ensures clear communication with teammates and opponents alike, essential for cooperative multiplayer gaming or competitive esports environments. The Arctis Nova Pro also comes equipped with intuitive controls, allowing users to easily adjust volume, mute the microphone, and toggle other settings directly on the headset itself. This streamlined interface enhances usability during gameplay, eliminating the need to fumble with external controls or software interfaces. Overall, the SteelSeries Arctis Nova Pro wireless multi-system gaming headset combines premium audio quality, versatility, comfort, and convenience to cater to the needs of discerning gamers across multiple platforms. You will get number one in this headphone. Almighty audio, experience ultimate clarity and sound quality with premium high-fidelity drivers. Fully customize the sound experience with the Sonar software by using a first-in-gaming pro-grade parametric EQ. Note if the size of the earbud tips does not match the size of your ear canals or the headset is not worn properly in your ears, you may not obtain the correct sound qualities or call performance. Change the earbud tips to ones that fit more snugly in your ear. 360-degree spatial audio, immersive surround sound transports you to the gaming world, letting you hear every critical step, reload, or vocal cue to give you an advantage. Fully compatible with Tempest 3D audio for PS5 Microsoft Spatial Sound. Active noise cancellation, immerse yourself in your virtual world as a specialized 4-mic hybrid system designed for gaming tunes out ambient noise. Use transparency mode with variable levels to adapt to any situation. Infinity power system, hot swap between using one battery and charging the other to keep your headset going and going and going. OLED base station, dual USB ports let you connect your PC, Xbox, Mac, PlayStation, or Switch, swap between them with the press of a button, charge your spare battery, take full control over your EQ, volume, and chat mix directly without leaving your game. Dual audio streams, mix 2 audio connections at the same time, letting you chat with friends while gaming. Play with lag-free 2.4 GHz while using Bluetooth simultaneously for calls, Discord, music, and podcasts. AI-powered noise-canceling mic, the Clearcast Gen 2 mic silences background noise to give you crystal-clear comms, backed by Sonar Software's powerful AI algorithms. The mic also fully retracts into the ear cup for a sleeker look. Software requirements: Windows 8.1 and above, macOS 10.13 and above. My final verdict. If you are interested in picking up a pair of professional quality headphones, then this 5 list is for you. If you guys like this video or learn something, please give it a like. And be sure to check out the description for links to find the most up-to-date pricing on all products mentioned in this video. That's all. Till next time.